Hey there, it's me, Austin Hallfield, and I would like to talk about my research note cards. And my two sources is the Bureau of Labor Statistics and North Georgia Tech. I chose Bureau of Labor Statistics is because it's a really good source for me to use. And the job description is design, develop, build, and test mechanical and thermal sensors and devices. And that's typically what a mechanical engineer would be doing. In the work environment, they would typically work in offices. They might visit occasional work sites where a problem needs their personal attention that the other people wouldn't be able to work on, or that they would have to personally go in there and see what the problem is or fix it or make whatever it is that they need to. And they mostly work in engineering services, research and development, and manufacturing. So they work in all those different style of areas. And the outlook is the employment of mechanical engineering is projected to grow 4% from 2018 to 2028. That's basically what they're looking at, and about as fast as the average for all occupations. Job prospects may be best for those who stay abreast of the most recent advances in technology, meaning that they know what's going on, they understand the new technology that is coming out, that they know how to figure it out, they understand how it all works. And the education that I would need, typically it would be a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering or mechanical engineering technology. And all states and the District of Columbia require a mechanical engineer who sells services to the public. They have to be licensed, meaning they'd have to have a license in order to sell services. The salary is typically 87,370 per year, which is $42 an hour, which is outstanding. And my second source is from North Georgia Tech, and I chose this because it's the college that I'm going to, and I felt like it was a really good source for me to choose because it let me know what I would learn and what I would typically need in order to go into the college or to graduate and get a job. The degrees I could get is undergrad, and the undergrad has a BS mechanical engineering degree, or a graduate, the MS mechanical engineering, or a PhD in mechanical engineering. The job description that they told me was the broadest of engineering disciplines, combining principles of mechanical engineering systems, thermal systems, manufacturing, and design. Thanks to their creativity and multidisciplinary skill set, mechanical engineers work in virtually every industry, meaning that they work all types of industries, um, like industrial, you know, all that, all types of engineering. Basically, is the overall thing for mechanical engineering is the overall thing. It has every single thing in there, and it's typically the hardest one that you could choose. And thanks to they are critical to transportation industry, working on everything from the development of the hybrid and electric cars to the autonomous cars and underwater vehicles like submarines and all that. Mechanical engineers are also leaders in energy systems, working on efficient power generation and development alternative energy sources to minimize environmental impacts, to help the environment. And the research areas I would be doing is acoustics, dynamics, robotics and control, automation, bioengineering, CAE and design, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, combustion and energy systems, manufacturing, mechanics of materials. That's basically everything that I would be learning in college. And that's pretty much it that I got from the college source. It basically just gave me the online site. It didn't really give me much info of what I would actually be learning, what it would cost to go, and what I would typically, all the classes I would need to take. It didn't really give me that much information. I've tried and I looked, but my counselor actually sent me some information about it, and he sent me some classes that I had or that I would be taking, and I'm pretty happy about it. I'm actually very excited, and I owe him a great debt in helping me understand how all that would work, and he let me know how my classes would actually fit together. And thank y'all, and I'm just excited to be able to get this chance to go to college. So thank y'all.